up? Welcome to Day to Day Ray with me, your girl Ray Ray. Hey, hi, how's it going? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today's a really quick video. I have a quick cake. There's so much going on. If you watch my live stream, you will know my husband is coming home from the hospital. And one of our dear friends has been handling so much for us, and it was the least I could do was to make her son a birthday cake. And I offered his birthday parties this weekend, and we still have so much to prepare for my husband to come home, but I took a few hours out of today and I made her son a Rubik's Cube birthday cake. So it was pretty simple, pretty easy. Without further ado, let's get underway. Baked a vanilla cake on a huge sheet pan, and then I used my square cookie cutter to cut the layers out. I did have to recreate a couple of the layers because I needed the height, but it worked out just fine. I had a couple cans of actual buttercream in the freezer, so I used the buttercream and a little mixture of some store-bought buttercream and layered the cakes, stacked them up. As you saw, I was using the cookie cutter to make sure I had the right height, the right shape, and everything. Once this was crumb coated, I put it in the freezer. While the cake was in the freezer, I started rolling out my black fondant, and using the same exact cookie cutter, I cut out 5 squares for all 5 sides of my cake. So here I'm rolling out some black fondant, and I'm going to make some ribbons, and what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to put them on the edges of my cake. This way, when I put my panels up, if there's any seams or anything, you're not going to see white frosting. All the seams and everything will be sealed up nice and tight, and you're not going to be able to see it. Now it's time to start cutting out those squares of color. We had orange, red, blue, green, yellow, and white, I believe. Once you have all your square blocks cut out, it's just time to rearrange them on your black panel. I made sure before I glued them down with some water or tacked them down with some water that they would all fit. And I decided that I wanted to have a mixed up Rubik's Cube, so that is what I did. Once your panels are done, just put them on the cake. I did take a little bit of water and go over that black fondant just to make sure that they'd stick, and voila, you're all done. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap it up for this video with the Rubik's Cube cake. I think it actually came out really well, considering that I wasn't rushing doing it, but I felt like, you know, I literally only needed I needed some tools, but I only needed a large cookie cutter and I needed a small cookie cutter. And I think it came out really good. I think he's gonna love it. I'm super stoked and excited. So now I need to go clean. I need to go take the curtains down and start washing them in bleach and start prepping for my husband's return home tomorrow from the hospital. We have hospital beds and stuff coming, so I have a lot to do. But I just wanted to make this quick cake and show you guys. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you soon. And remember to please be kind, because you don't know the battle that someone's going through, so don't be a dick. All right, guys, I'll see you soon, and